The dreaded nightmare has come true. Your house or business is flooded with water. But how? From where? How long has this been going on? Most people think of water damage coming from a storm or burst pipes. But really, there are so many more sources that can cause water damage to your home or business. No matter how big or small, our professional experts can help with any problem. Toilet overflow, and now your entire bathroom, bedroom, and hallway are covered in water. Come home from work to find your water heater burst all over your house. Did you even know that your ice maker can flood? Get to work on Monday morning to find out you have damage from frozen pipes. Washing machine flooded your upstairs, and now it's leaking downstairs through the ceiling. Sewer backup from plugged drain line. We are experts in the field of water damage cleanup and restoration. We know the importance of finding the source and stopping the leak immediately. Then our professional techs clean up the water and begin drying out the area to prevent any further damage. If not done correctly, mold and mildew will form, and more problems can arise to the affected area. This is a problem you must treat immediately. If not, it can end up costing you much more damage and money down the road. Our certified technicians can do just that, right now, the right way, keeping your damage to a minimum, using water extraction equipment, air movers, dehumidifiers, and moisture testing to ensure the problem is fully resolved. Water damage may be covered by your insurance. Either way, you must dry it out to stop additional damage. We work with most insurance companies and know what they want done and how, saving you the hassle. We're local and understand your needs. Call now. And don't forget, we work with most insurance companies. Let's start fixing your problem now.